Okay, before asking for Art for Peace, I would like to know what is actually your organization doing?
Art for Peace Award has done a lot of work, and my whole life I have only given. And I'm a survivor of domestic violence for 12 years, and I'm very thankful for my ex-husband because he helped me find my purpose. Everything we have in life has a reason, and I'm awakened since I was 7 years old. I've been doing Qigong meditation since then. I've never been in trouble. My whole life I've just served, and because that's my main purpose, everyone here to serve.
Okay, you are in India. What are you looking for?
I have a big project in India. I have 3 projects in India. First one is Wisdom Land. Okay, the Wisdom Land is going to be a self-sustainable men, women, children shelter. And this shelter is going to be self-sustainable. That means I don't want them to depend on money for donate, and I don't want to depend on anybody. But before we go further, I want to introduce you with Rashmi Kamdar. He's my brother. He's from New York, New Jersey. He's here to support me on the Wisdom Land project. So he will speak after I'm done. So Wisdom Land is a big project, and I'm going to create jobs. I'm a good businesswoman. I'm already retired and branded, and I'm here only to serve. And this is my life purpose. So I have spoken to Lynn Evola, and guess what? We're going to build the first Peace Angel project in India as well. We have a land from Los Angeles City to build a big monument in Los Angeles, but then I told her, can we do it in India since I'm doing. So this is going to attract. This is not just a sculpture. She does this with gunpowder for peace, not violence. And so what this is going to attract a lot of tourism in India. We already have a land for Wisdom Land. And this land is in the affluent place of Chandigarh. And my donor is my brother too, and he has a big land. And I said, look, let's do Wisdom Land, and around that area we'll build schools, colleges, universities, big, nice 5-star hotel where I can bring people from Hollywood to come and stay there. So guess what? We're going to have so much employment. And this is how I want to serve India.
So did you find any location in India?
Yes, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Why not Mumbai?
I don't know. The land is given to me.
Okay.
In Mumbai too. Let me finish one. Look, I don't want to. I want to build one. After we build, I run it. Okay. I want to set up a whole business plan, check and balance. After the check and balance business is set up, I'm going to move to the next step. Do one good one. And set up a nice program. I have everything written, I'm all ready, so we need to raise funds. I want everyone to come on board with me, work with me, because I'm real. And I have no attachment with money or anything. I'm only here to serve. Okay? So I have a message for all the Bollywood people. Hollywood people, I know them, so no problem. So my message for Bollywood, every single star. I want to tell you something. You will never be a star without Indians. Who made you a star? Indians. You are obligated to serve Indians. I heard every time I try to get one star, they tell me, oh, they want to get paid. I say, Hollywood is not like that. I did an event on October 16 at the Shaban Theater, which is a very elite theater of Beverly Hills, and I had a whole bunch of stars flew in. Why? Because I'm a celebrity coach and I never got paid by anyone. I keep myself very clean, away from all this money business, because I don't want people looking at me and say, oh, her lifestyle is coming from somewhere. So everything I have is my own, and I kept myself very clean and open.
What would you like to say?
Well, I'm Rashmikant Kamdar, live in New York, New Jersey from last 41 years. Of course, I migrated. I'm Indian, proud to be Indian,
Yes.
but I'm proud to be Gujarati. Been doing a lot of charity works there in America. Right now, I'm the president of Gujarati Vikas Manch in New Jersey, and also I was a secretary for about 8 years in Bharati Vidya Bhavan, which is a very well-known institute. and we follow the footsteps of Kanyal Al-Munsi. So what we do is we always promote the arts and cultural things. Now, as when Moni said, she is from Hollywood and she calls me a brother, so she came to my door. So as truly a brotherly help, I decided to support her, so I flew down from America. She's been doing all these 4-piece awards to New Delhi. Now she's doing in Mumbai, she's flying to Bangalore. I said, okay, definitely will support you. It's a good cause because she's not commercial. She's not expecting from anybody anything. She wants to serve. And if somebody from America wants to serve to fellow Indians, as an Indian, it's my duty to support them. So let's see her. I believe a nice, thorough businessman has come forward in Chandigarh and given her a land to build this wisdom land, what she is thinking to have a harmony. And the way she wants to shelter is the battered woman or a disturbed any woman. And the way she would like to do this project is that they'll be self-sustained. That means she might do a small kind of a business inside that land, or they would generate the events, to generate the money by themselves, that they don't
We
need
have vocational schools.
schools or whatever the project she wants to do. So she has a good dream. She's going to continue. I believe she'll go back. Since she's so well influenced in Hollywood, she'll be able to gather things. So basically, as I said, we being very well, we have done so many cultural shows, like one I did, 100th anniversary of Harwas Rai Bachchan. I had Sri Amitabh Bachchan come to America in 2007 on August 17. He recited the poem for his father, and of course he was joined by Abhishek and Aishwarya Rai also. So many changes, like I also did, we are trying to have Hindi as our 14th language as accepted in United Nations. There are 13 languages they've accepted. So we want Hindi to be accepted. So we are also giving requests to United Nations, and we did one conference of Hindu in United Nations. That was the first time done 3 years back. There's so many cultural events we do, and I just wish a good luck to Moni Irony, like my sister, to be very successful, and whatever help we can do, we will definitely do that.
I have a message for the young ones. I want all the young ones with me because they do all the social media. Social media has a lot of power. I want to tell you all, keep your culture, keep your tradition, keep your language, keep your heritage, you're beautiful who you are, and you don't need to run out and migrate. We're going to make India very strong, where you can stay and make India very superpower.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.
कि एक ऐसी लड़की बनूं और लड़कियों को वो इंस्पिरेशन दूं और वो एजुकेशन दूं, कुछ करूं उनके लिए, वो किसी से हेल्प ना मांगे, इवन अपने हस्बैंड से भी नहीं. When I came to know her, she is that lady, वो भी ऐसा ही कुछ करना चाहती थी लड़कियों के लिए. Not only for girls, for everyone, जो हेल्पलेस है, जो कुछ कर नहीं सकता. ऐसा नहीं है कोई कर नहीं सकता, but they don't have the good guidance. अगर हम एक साथ मिलकर उनके लिए कुछ कर सकें, it's very good. Firstly, I would say the one thing, I'm having my own production as I spoke early. मैं अपनी एक बायोपिक बनाने जा रही हूँ. I need your all help because I'm nothing without you. I need all the person in this world who can help me. Really, really, I would love if you are going to help me here. As well as Muni ma'am has already said to you, and even I don't know you listen or not, but what is our main purpose for Wisdom Land and what is Wisdom Land? I just recently done it. कि हम एक ऐसा सेंटर बनाना चाहते हैं, हम उनके लिए काम देना चाहते हैं, काम बनाना चाहते हैं जो वो नॉन स्किल बिजनेस भी कर सकें और अगर वो स्किल्ड हैं, उनके पास कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है, तो वो भी हमारे पास आके काम कर सकें। ओके, मैं इनके साथ एसोसिएटेड हूँ। हमने रिसेंटली एक अवार्ड फंक्शन रन किया है दिल्ली में, आर्ट फॉर पीस अवार्ड। आर्ट फॉर पीस अवार्ड का मेन मकसद था यही विजडम लैंड। हम चाहते हैं कि आर्ट फॉर पीस अवार्ड के ज़रिए, इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के ज़रिए, लोगों से मिलने के ज़रिए हम लोगों तक अपनी बात पहुंचाएं कि हम ये करना चाहते हैं। मैं नहीं जानती, मैं नहीं सोचती कि तुम लोग ये सोचोगे कि दिस इज़ बैड वर्क, इट्स गुड।
Sir, side.
Hello.
If you were to say something else, you can say. It's done.
It's a great moment to awards have to be given always for appreciating people, and somebody who has been appreciated by madam. It's really a great thing. It's really a great thing.
Oh, you got the microphone. That's good.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Moriarty, for this nice gesture. As I said earlier also, she's truly my sister. I met her back in New Jersey, and since I do a lot of charity works down there, she said to help her out, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I flew because she was in India, and she said I'm here. She has been here from last about 3 weeks, so I just landed 3 days back for this particular event. And I congratulate her. Go ahead and do all your work, and Giriza, you too. You sound to be a very focused girl in your life, and I'm sure that may God will bless you, and you might do the good work. And I give you a very good strength you get in your heart for your wisdom land, what you're trying to do. And once again, congratulations. And I got to leave now because I have another commitment at 8 o'clock. I don't want to be delayed there. So
Okay.
thank you.
Thank
I
you so
leave you
much.
guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Love you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Pleasure having you. Funny. So what I did is I stopped shopping 2008. I visited Sri Lanka and that changed me. So I don't shop. As come, I have not shopped. I have not gone sightseeing in India. I come, I'm working, and I'm going because my purpose means everything. I know I will sightsee one day when my Lord wants me to sightsee. So I'm here for this purpose only. So please, if you have anyone wants to donate, I'm going to make statues of the donors. We're going to have Star of Fame all around the Wisdom Land. It's going to be one of the beautiful temple built in whole India. How do you like that? Because in India consists of Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, everybody lives here. They have been owners of this land. They rule India. So let's love everybody because by separating, we're not going to go anywhere. So together, we can make a positive global change. And the global change has to happen from here, and this is I meant to be. So I'm very present. I value everything that comes in my life. And I want to tell you something. Everyone sitting here, I want you to imagine. Right now, you're sitting on this earth, and we're all moving on this universe, and we are saying we are one. So when you project one, it will receive one too. So oneness will come. And I will tell you something. I'm a very successful woman. And right now, I'm going to Ghana after this. All these African kings been fighting for 150 years. Oh my goodness. That means people came, born, and died. Okay? Because the lifespan in Africa is only 50 years old. Okay. So now, first time in Africa, all these people are coming together. I have a huge plan to rebuild Africa. Okay? Huge plan. And I'm going to use India's satellite to be sold in Africa. So that means India will make more money. That means I will have more jobs for India. And that means I have more jobs for Africa. I'm a very good businesswoman. I bought my first home when I was 23 all by myself. I was being financially independent from the age 19. Everything I touch turns into gold. Everything. I'm a very lucky woman. So I know what I'm saying. All you need to do is just please help me, and everything happened with this. And all my media people, you're my voice and you're my heart. So my heart to your heart, love and peace. You're my voices. So when I build my wisdom land, you